What is it about it that you like him? You like his body or his smile or what?
No, he's a wonderful, warm human being.
Well, what could the little kid see about his body?
He's a very religious boy, and he has a very great respect for his parents, which I think means an awful lot.
So I flew 3,000 miles yesterday, spent $500, stood in line for 4 hours, and I still thought it was worth it.
There's something about him when he walks on stage that, you know, there's no normal woman that can't get excited when he walks on. He's so dynamic.
But Mother does like it when he moves. She doesn't like it when they shoot him only from the waist up and he stands too still. Mother likes a lot of action, and I must admit I do too. He sends my Phi Beta Kappa key a-jangling.
We create all the reservations that come in for the Elvis Presley show. They're driving us crazy. The phone rings continually.
Would make my dreams come true. Just call my name and I'll be right by your side. I need your sweet helping hand. My love's too strong